make sure you've got a thin coat on there. Because if you go too thick, the paint's going to go everywhere. And you don't want that. Right, that's the liquid clear applied. Sort of Indian yellow. Crimson. Nice bit of titanium white. Right then, let's throw some paint on and see what happens. Same brush, and start with some Indian yellow. Let's go right in the middle here with this Indian yellow. Gonna go sort of right about there, right the way across. Some streaks here. We're gonna go with some crimson now. Crimson. I'll start right at the top of the canvas there, just into that yellow a little bit, make sure they mix. I want this sort of more darker up the top, and then go sort of between them sort of yellow sort of bits there, here. Lift some of that up there. Right, I'm just going to do some little, like I would the Northern Lights. Stroke of paint across there. Yeah, let's gonna pull this way here, and then pull back that way. A lot of blending. We can add some more white and stuff here and there. I want this to be sort of bright around this area, so I'm gonna just do this any old how. Okay, we're just making a sky, that's all. So we're just going to pull this out. I'm going to go both ways. Get some oranges in there, some apples, some bananas. Yeah. So I'm just going to put a little bit of a bright thing there. Just want this a little bit lighter. Tap in, blend. Right into this white. I'm just going to make a lot of water here, so I'm going to start around here. Just pull this down. Might just sort of leave that a little bit darker over there. If I want it lighter, I can come back to it, but there we go. Let's pull this down and try and make some water. I'll just go across here. Just going to pull straight across here and pull some of that crimson in there. Get the nice sort of orangey sort of edges there. Just keep going across there. That's nice. Let's use some black. I'll make a very light colour. I'm going to tiniest little bit of black. Let's nick the rest of that yellow. Tiny little bit of crimson. Some white. Yeah, that's it. Crimson. Crimson. Tiny little bits. Okay, let's just see about this. Just a little something over here, I don't want a lot. I want to keep some of that colour, that yellowish colour in there, so I've just mixed up a very sort of light colour there. There we go. Knock up some black here, and I'm going to use some crimson, some Indian yellow, and just make a nice little pile here. So yeah, just a nice sort of dark colour, bit of crimson too, but using up all that paint. There we go, I've got enough paint still. What I want to do now, and we'll just make a little bit of land that comes all the way across. I'm just going to go right across first. just touch into a little bit of white here, and I'm going to make this even further. So it's almost a bit like that colour over there, something like this. Let's just pull this down a little bit here. Water reflections. Slight bit there. Bet you didn't see that coming. I'm going to go something like that. I'm going to just push up a little bit. Push up with the fan brush. Get all them little things going on. And then we can sort of cut that off around there. Obviously this is a lot closer than the other. There we go. And of course, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure to leave a comment and press like. Helps massively. We're going to go across here. Just something like that. Tap into that. And put the smallest amount on. Just here and there. Okay, here we go. You ready? I'm not. Right, so yeah, I'm gonna do. Let's just picture out where I want this and sort of how big. I think around here would be nice. So I'm gonna do. Okay, we're going to come somewhere down like that. We've got a little leg there. Oh, we need to fill this in here. Come on. Oh, it's so tiny. I like the trunk. Just try and do it, you know. It's great so far, thank you. Right, it's got to have a back lid there. That can just sort of come down in front of that. So we just have to use our mind there. We do a little sort of kick out there. Here we go. And them little tassel things on the end. Look, it's they hold on to the tails, don't they? So. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Look, get a little tiny tail on him. The thing with reflections is you can just, you know, make it reflection-y. That's so good. Thank you. Gorgeous Mills. Brilliant, says Mary. Thank you. Oh, that's so cute, Lisa. You are challenge yourself. Lovely idea. Thank you. Yeah. That's all we need. Okay. See what I mean? And then just. Just do something like that, I think. Just bring this across here, get some little sheens going on, pull this out here. Okay, just do it. There's lots of little ones here. You know them sort of trees that just have all them little things. This. Just bring this round with some little bits of. Maybe it'll just go sort of like that. That gives us a chance to put some like little weeds sticking up and stuff like that. And this is painting number 337. Painting 337.